I'm Dudley Thompson. Again, welcome to WDT Media TV. We're here in 3 Miles. We're seeing there. Work is about to resume on White Wing, probably a month from now. And we're seeing here, they're dropping material for the roadway, where they plan to run the pipeline underground. So, work should resume on the White Wing housing project very shortly. And the councillor here is looking at the gully to get involved in some gully cleaning exercise here in the Broomyard area. And going through the Broomyard here. And the councillor is here at the gully as we approach the hurricane season.
It's not White Wing or Broomyard Gully, it's Boucher Gully. And I'm going to clean the entire gully. It's divided in 3 sections. It's coming from way up Chisholm Avenue, Walton Park Road, Hagley Park Road to here. Well, on my side, which takes in the community of Broomyard and White Wing, that section will be clean. Right? So White Wing and Broomyard will have to work together to accomplish the task. It's as simple as that.
Simple.
Councillor here walking through.
You're afraid of them.